Welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yeah, it's that time. Time to taste test the strawberry. And if you don't remember the yeast we used, I'll put it up there. And the banana, just a simple wheat beer, nothing special. I'll post the ABVs. I'm not too worried about that. OGs, FGs, whatever. That wasn't my goal. My goal here was to make a strawberry and a banana and then to try them by blending them. I have had a little taste and maybe I didn't push the envelope. Maybe I was a little gun shy because I know that on a wheat beer, when I overdo the yeast or I over stress it, I get some really weird off flavors that I really don't care for. My oldest doesn't seem to notice or care, but they bother me. So I played it a little safe. And as such, I may or may not have gotten as much strawberry or banana as potentially possible in these yeasts. So time for the taste test. Don't forget the strawberry one also has passion fruit and some other things going on. The banana just has the clove being greatly subdued. So I'm gonna fill these glasses and then we're gonna do something else. Okay, now remember we did 6 gallons and we cut it 3-3. So the strawberry, they were treated the same on carbonation, they were treated the same all the way around. But the strawberry is a little out of control with the head retention and head retention. It's not going away. It's just like solid foam. And then we got the banana over here, which was looking pretty good, but it's starting to go down. And the banana has this nice subtle haze, just like you would expect in a wheat beer, which means it's the yeast. Because if I'm looking over here at the strawberry, which is based on a Belgian, I'm not sure if you can see it, and I'll see if I can light it up for you. But that bad boy is crystal clear. I mean, I got a little cool chill on the top of the glass there. It's fogging it up. But the bottom, you can, crystal clear. So, I'm not sure what's going on. I mean, yeah, just same, which tells me the yeast, I have not heard anybody talking about yeast with head retention, but the yeast is having a play here because that's the only difference between these two beers. They were moved literally minutes behind each other. They were carbonated the same. Everything was the same. And I mean, everything, the malts, the boil, everything was the same. Yeah, I'm still sitting here. And over here, I've lost my head. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a taste test. I was gonna do the strawberry. Actually, I'm gonna do the strawberry first because, well, no, we'll do the banana first. We'll do the banana. Okay, it's changed. From when I had my little tiny sip before it was carbonated, it's changed. I've got a ton of banana on the nose, and I mean a ton. It is like somebody has just plopped down a bunch of fresh bananas right inside the glass. Yeah, I'm thinking if I would have kicked that temp up, I probably would have noticed it during fermentation even more than I did. It's not totally in your face, but I don't know how many of you are old as I am, but there used to be these really cool sweet tarts called wacky wafers, and you could get them in a big old pack at the 7-Eleven or gas station, and each one was a different flavor. It tastes like someone dropped a banana wacky wafer in there. I'm like, all good. That was my favorite one out of the whole thing. The sour apple, I like too. It was green. That is incredibly nice, especially if you like the banana. I should have brought a water down here to rinse the palate, but yeah, why would I want to shock the liver like that? Let's go on to the strawberry since the head retention is finally starting to go down. I don't know if it's the foam. It's like meringue. Okay, I'm getting a little bit of aromatics, nothing like the banana. And when it was warm, before it was actually chilled and carbonated, I could smell the strawberry. It was mild, but it was there. I'm not really smelling, I mean, I could kind of say I might smell strawberry, but I would kind of be guessing and, you know, kind of poison the tree. I already know there's a strawberry type yeast. Okay, I'm gonna say there's a hint, a subtle hint of strawberry on the nose. Okay. And I could see where they might get some stone fruit or maybe a hint of passion in there. The strawberry does stand out nicely, but not like it did when it was warm. I mean, before I got it chilled and carbonated, strawberry definitely stood out a little more. It's kind of subdued. And like I said, I kept them both at the same temperature, and I think the Belgian could have been a little higher. So if I had two fermenters or a way to get one a little warmer, which I actually I take that back. Strawberry did ferment at about 1 degree warmer based on the positioning of where I put it in my fermentor, whatever. But I probably could have kicked it up a few more degrees and got a lot more strawberry out of it. The strawberry is very subtle. It's very nice. It's a light drink to me. I'm not gonna say it's 50-50, but I was gonna go hit it on the tap, but we'll just do it this way. There's some banana. And there's some strawberry. Okay, I've got all kinds of things going on in aroma. I smell the banana, but I smell something else in there. And it's probably, I know it's the strawberry, but maybe that whole pouring it in. And look, I got better head retention again. So it's all about the strawberry for head retention. It's actually very nice. If I had to rank them, I like the banana the best. I like the banana with strawberry the second best, 50-50, approximate. And the strawberry the least. I like it. It's light, it's smooth. For someone who wants like a pale ale but prefers wheat beers, perfect. I may have to revisit this and ferment it at a much warmer temperature. What I thought about doing, but it would kind of dilute the test or make the yeast insignificant in the test. If anybody's done this, put it in the comments. But they sell at the local grocery store dried banana chips, and they sell dried strawberry, and they are literally just shaved banana, shaved strawberry that's been dried in a dehydrator. So I guess I could do it myself in a dehydrator. But I thought about taking those, putting them in a keg, hitting them with a bunch of CO2, and then moving the beers on top of those and letting them sit, knowing that the yeast already had the flavor, thinking that would actually just make the flavor extremely pronounced. It's a thought. Yeah, I could do fresh strawberries. I could do fresh bananas. The bananas get so funky with color. I'd probably have to hit it with a little tiny bit of citric acid just to keep the bananas from going funky. Strawberries, they go funky too, but not quite as fast as bananas. So if you ever left the banana open, it's like just turns brown. So I'm gonna enjoy the banana. I think I'm gonna go refill this and just drink the banana for now. Thank you again for joining us at Bitter Reality Brewing. It is a success. It's just not quite the way it worked out. And hey, that's what it is about experimenting and testing. Don't forget, like, subscribe, keep sharing. Definitely appreciate the support. And maybe I'll just pour them all together and just drink them anyways. I gotta go make dinner anyways. So thank you again.